All right, guys, we're doing a drag race. Ready, set, go! Oh! Fail, fail. What's up, guys? It's 893 Motorsports and Go-Kart Academy. We are down south in Georgia, and we're out here at the Herrin compound. Really cool place. Private track. So we hooked up with Josh and Kim, and they let us know that we're able to drive their awesome track today. Really cool looking. It's flat. It's got lots of turns here. I'll give you a view of it in a second. Jonathan's hanging out on the pit wall here. But it only took us about 2 hours to get down here from Atlanta, so not too bad. I'll hop on up here.
What's up, bro?
What's up? There's the other guy right there. There's the man. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful open track. Lots of turns. Looking great. We got the, there we go. We got the concessions over here, the stands. Probably used to, there's a nice pit entry here. Track looks good. Looks a little bumpy in places, like this. Watch this bump right here, guys. But really excited to try out this track down here, down south. What city is this? What city? What, Dublin?
Dublin, Georgia.
We're in Dublin, Georgia, guys. Dublin, Georgia at Herrin compound. Gonna do a review of the track. We got Maverick here. Joseph, our other driver for 893, is not here today, so too bad for him. He'll get to drive it next time. But out here with Maverick and Jonathan, we're gonna try out this track, give it a nice review. I'm already thinking it's gonna be a great review. I mean, look at this, it's so cool. Got a little bumps, got a little bit of grass, not a big deal, but empty, private, exciting. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So we'll give you a great review, get some GoPro footage and some 360 footage of this place. But that's what we're doing today. Herrin compound down here in Dublin, Georgia. Kind of a little gem of the South. So enjoy the footage, guys. Enjoy. Hope you guys are doing well out there, and we'll see you on the track in a little bit. All right, guys, we are out here at the Herrin compound. Maverick over there just took a nice drive in the kart. We're gonna give you guys a quick review of the track. Whoop. Almost falling off here on this one wheel. We're on the one wheel right now, we're in pit. So we're coming out here, guys. Watch for some of the bumps. Got a little hole right here. You gotta be careful of that sucker. Yoo! Don't hit that. And here we are on to the track. Coming around turn one. It's flat, it's technical, it's a technical track. It's 13 years old here at Herrin compound, privately owned. So that was turn one. Nice kink right here. Turn two. Watch out for the bump right here. You got to cut the corner real nice. Coming in turn three. Not bad, guys. Coming around here to turn four. Hard right-hand turn. Ah, beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day out here at Herrin compound. Turn four. I'm assuming this is turn five, if I'm correct. Turn five coming back towards the main stretch. Little bumpy here, but junk. There we go. Left-hand turn. Turn six. And there's a cutoff here, but we're gonna go around the back. So I'm assuming this is turn seven that we're coming up on. Get some speed. Hopefully I won't die on this one wheel, guys. I like this, a nice smooth right-hand turn. I think this is turn 8. Something like that. see where all the motorcyclists here. This is the brake area. Come back around. Nice kind of like a bank turn here. Right-hand turn. Some switchbacks here. Coming around. I'm going to turn successfully without dying here. There we go. Coming around the back end. And here we are, back onto the front straight. We're gonna go in a pit lane here. And there we have it. There you guys go. I'll land right there. So there you guys go. That is a 1 lap of Herrin Compound down here in Dublin, Georgia, just 2 hours south of Atlanta, so not a bad drive at all. It's privately owned and operated, so big shout out to @Herrin Compound on Instagram, as well as big shout out to Kim and Josh, who are out in California, the proprietors, the owners of this. Thanks so much for giving us an opportunity to drive this pretty sweet track. So, looks great, guys. So we're excited to be here. We're excited to put some laps in and enjoy the day. Guys, enjoy some of the footage of Maverick 893 Motorsports driver. Gonna give you guys a drive around in the go-kart. You get to see how bumpy it is and how fun it is as well. So see you guys out on the track. All right, bro. Have fun out there, man.
Okay.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. So here we are with 893 Motorsports driver Maverick White. Maverick, what'd you think about the track?
The track is pretty much a little bit scary, but it's much better.
It's much better?
Than AMP.
Oh, than AMP? Why do you say that?
Because AMP's track is a little smaller.
Oh, smaller?
Yeah.
This one's flat though too, right?
Yeah.
You like the flat courses?
Yeah.
Kind of like GoPro and CMP, right?
Yep.
You like the flat courses? So there you go, guys. There's an honest review from a 7-year-old who's telling you how he likes it. So it's good track, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good track. Good track out here, guys.
Susan, I said no.
Cool.